Okay, loosen that up. That comes out like that. Here's that little clip. Oh, snap rings. That's what these things are. Snap rings that came off. We're going on the other wheel assembly. We'll kind of put that all together there. Almost comes out. Almost. Just got a 1/4 of an inch there. Probably have to take up right here. Same thing with a 7/16. Probably gotta get those off. The whole thing will just slide right on out. Fix this since that's the part where that little snap ring came off. It goes like that. Put a part like that. I'll just kind of set it at number 5 how it was. All these kind of fit there. Looks like that one deal's a little bent. O-ring. All that slides on through. Well, at least what it looks like to me. Not a professional or expert. I just kind of know how to tinker with stuff. Alright. Just gotta get it set just right. Lines all up. Retro. There we go. Kind of goes like that. Kind of snap ring like that. Handy dandy snap ring pliers. What do we do with this? Put that in the hole. Put that in the hole. Hopefully I got the right sized ones. Got to maybe change out the heads to get the right size ones, or else things don't work with the snap ring pliers. So it looks like gotta swip them out. Handy dandy. Push it in, pull it out. Take those jaws off. Let's see. Let me try these other jaws here. Because if they don't fit in the holes, man, you're going to have a hard time with a lot of that. That kind of does. Not as good as these ones. So we'll go like that. Go like that. Slide the little long part in there. Push the deal. Lock it in. No screws, screwdrivers, special tools. That's kind of a neat feature I didn't know when I bought these bad boys. So when you see what it does here, they'll just expand it. So I'll just kind of set it all together. Get it around there. Retro. There we go. Just kind of expand it there. It'll just kind of go. Just gotta get it pressed down. That's about it. The little wheel part was giving us a little bit of trouble with that little clamp. So I got one of my handy dandy little welding clamps out, and we'll go ahead and get that little ring in there. Just make sure it's set up where it clears it, which I'll have to just readjust this one slightly. Just want that little bit of room. Squish it in there like that. Get the pin in the hole, and essentially just like that. Done right, it'll stay. Look at that. Almost like a professional did it. Almost, but just not quite, but almost. Okay, I'm gonna take this bolt off just like that. Okay, So hopefully it looks like a piece there. Let me move the camera. Let's see. Just trying to situate it here so we can see. Especially so we can kind of see exactly what I'm going to do. Gotta get this pin out. Post, whatever. Bam. We got that. There we go. The old transmission's out. There's the old pin. That was there. Cool. Go. Went ahead and pulled the pulley off there so it can go together. Just slide it in. Start getting it all put back together. Yep. Take it easy. Alright. So we'll tighten this back down. Let's see. That would be kind of good for right now, as long as it holds it in place. We already got that one little pin back in place right over with my hand, right there, so it can kind of hold things there. All we gotta do is get the other side back together, and here we go.